Hello my friends, in this video tutorial I will show you how you can download and install Utorrent. So, let's get started. First open your browser and type Utorrent and hit enter. Go to the first site. Click on download, and follow me. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, that subscribe button that when you get a notification at any time. That's all I have for you today and hope to see you next time. Bye.